me, Rishi. This is day 22, and today I'm going to show you how to real quickly switch between entries using the next and previous buttons. Then tomorrow I'll go over all of these together, all of like putting all the entries in one column or in one area all at once. And yeah, so first of all, I noticed that I never actually styled this. This is on the right side, so let me do that first. We can just go to entry. I don't actually have an entry one. Wow, okay. So let's just real quickly create it then. Entries. Hashtag entry, hashtag entry number, and do float right, and margin right 2 pixel. So now it's on the right hand side, and I can also, for the rest of these, do hashtag entry, and really though it's just H2, H4, P, and then I can just put here margin 0, 0, 0, 0, and I'll change it a bit so that I have some margins. So I have something on the top of like, on the bottom of like 2 pixel, right? And then I also want to change this from H to H3, I believe. Yeah, so now it all looks a little bit more fluid, a little bit more nicer. So back in here, we have 2 more buttons that we want to use, the next entry and previous entry, right? So let's just go to this. Let's do var previous equals to document dot get element. Actually, I already have these right here, so I can just real quickly copy it like so, and then I can put this thing into a variable called next, and var previous equals to this again, except this time change this thing to previous entry. And then in here, what you can do is you can just do 2 functions, or 2 lines again. So you can do next dot add event listener, click function, and then in here you can write whatever code you want to. I'm gonna leave this blank for now, and again previous dot add event listener, click, and outside of this put another function like so, and whatever code you want to put in here. So so pause the video, do on your own. If you have any questions, I'll walk through it in 10 seconds. So pause the video. Whenever you're done, come back. If you don't know how to do it, if you want it, or if you want to go through together, I'll do it now. Okay, waiting for 10 seconds. Okay, so hopefully you've already done it. If you haven't, that's fine. Let's just walk through this. So over here, I want to do index plus plus, and I want to create a quick check. I want to do if index is greater than or equal to question array dot length index equals to, or index minus minus, and copy this code, move down to here, and same thing except over here for previous index minus minus and index plus plus, and then just do less than or equal to -1, like so, -1. Right now, it won't let me go up or down because I don't have any more problems. So let's just real quickly do this. So we can do, oh, and then we also want to call on load. So after this, we're going to call load selected, and then copy this once, paste it into here. Then we can add a question into here, and we can create some more stuff. So we can put John Doe, enter question. I'm going to put, why is my header too small? And then enter any sample code here. Hold on, I don't think this is the right place for this. Yeah, this is the subject, so I have to put in here. I'm going to put John Doe over here. I'm going to put in here, I'm going to say header small, and sample code, I'm going to say H4, H3, hello, H3, and H4, hi, I'm, and then H4, and then hit submit. Now you see that it still loads at number 1, and if I hit next, nothing is happening. I do not know why. So what we can do actually is actually we can just print out index after this. Console.log index, and then copy it and paste it. Oh, that's why, because we are only fetching once, so we can keep fetching over and over again. So in load selected, I want to just, when I switch up, I don't want to put const here. I put var and var, and then var, and actually, and just remove these two. That is strange. See if I just remove this, and then I print out here. Let's go to the website. Let's go developer.qoom/qoom overflow index. Inspect element. Let's see what I did wrong. Question array dot length, not a function. Okay, so that was what I thought I did wrong. So let's do array dot length JavaScript. What is it? Define length of array in JavaScript. So it's dot length is for a string. It's dot length. Okay, so there's no where is it? There's none of this here. Don't need this. We can just close it like so. And then we can comment out these two lines here, like so. And then we can switch between these. See, this is how you do that, and it won't let you go any smaller, it won't let you go any bigger, and we can just keep on doing this. Right, so this is pretty easy, pretty basic, looking pretty good. Thank you. This was day 22, how to switch between entries. Tomorrow we'll talk about how to load all of them up in one go. Yeah, thanks.